Shubor na Gsmc jong unongsan Hima.
Kaseng Garoland State Movement Committee mentakasngi kekhatsan tarik uyayong arjar arpulai kala penlong de kejingyat pajba hapok kesnong William Nagar halor ke Dawa ban aino lakajong ke jela kata ke Garoland State. Hagani kasngi kala donshwa kejingyelang pajba kebalalong hamadan jong ke skul rong renggre ha kebalawan banyak shimbenta da kinokma ki sordar Dikot bala khamslem jong kaseng Gsmc bat kin thobru UMDC ubalong ru Deputy Chief Executive Member jong Garo National Council unikman marak harengkat kispa angut kinong kershan ki banakathan William Nagar. Habakren na kajingelang hagani kasngi unikman ulaong bala shimnya karai ha kabayadei ban penbor ban penyo no lakajong gajela kata ke Garoland State. Ulaong susu bakum gijat benreu Garo ngin Dawa ban ra ya gani ka mat hapo ka ying Dorbar thawan ke jela ha ke Dorbar ka ban wan na ka benta ban penyak khlat ha pedeng ke jela Garo bat ke jela Khasi. Ulaong ru bayangi la kershan de ki seng bhalang bat ki seng tremon ngobha ki ban ka than East Garo Hills ban ngin peteng ban Dawa hadu ban dayo ya ka hok. Padula ong susu ba yakani anbu hakmat ke sarkar na ka benta ban penurlong ya ka jing Dawa. Hadin ke jingalang hagani ke sngi ki pajba ki la penlong ya ke jinya kijat harengkat ki jing perta ban aino lakajong ke jela.
Garoland! Garoland! We won! Garoland! We won! Garoland! No state! No rest! No state! No rest! No
Today, the Garoland State Movement Committee has organized a public meeting in East Garo Hills headquarters, William Nagar. So, all the Nokmas from this area and the law schools and prominent leaders and NGOs all are here today with us and extend the support for the Garoland. And during our public meeting, we have taken a resolution. The resolution is the State Assembly should adopt a resolution to bifurcate the state of Meghalaya into Khasi land and then the Garoland. So this is our resolution, and we'll put forth to the government to fulfill our demand.